If you own a small farm or any piece of land under 50 acres right now, you need to stop whatever you're doing and watch this entire video. Because starting this year, the IRS has launched a brand new program specifically targeting small farm owners across 10 states in America. And the worst part? Most farmers have absolutely no idea this is happening to them right now. I am going to show you exactly which 10 states are affected, exactly what the IRS is looking for, and exactly what you must do before July 2026 to protect your land and your money. Stay with me. This is urgent. Now let me tell you what is really going on here. For years, small farm owners like you have been the backbone of this country. You work your land every single day. You pay your taxes. You follow the rules. You do everything right. But here is what nobody is telling you. The IRS has a brand new division. It was quietly created in late 2025. And this division has one single job: to audit small farm owners, specifically those with under 50 acres of land. Now you might be thinking, why would IRS target small farmers? Good question. And the answer is going to make you very angry. Big agriculture corporations have spent millions of dollars lobbying Washington. They want small farm owners out of the picture. They want your land. They want to buy it cheap. And the easiest way to do that is to hit small farmers with massive unexpected tax bills. When a small farm owner suddenly gets a $20,000 or $30,000 tax bill they were never expecting, what happens? They panic. They cannot pay. And suddenly they are forced to sell their land for almost nothing. This is not an accident. This is a plan. And it is happening right now in 2026. The IRS audit program has already started in 10 states. And if your state is on this list, you need to act immediately. Okay, so let me give you the list of the 10 states that are currently being targeted. Number 1, Ohio. Number 2, Pennsylvania. Number 3, Michigan. Number 4, Indiana. Number 5, Missouri. Number 6, Tennessee. Number 7, Kentucky. Number 8, North Carolina. Number 9, Wisconsin. Number 10, Virginia. Now, if you are watching this and your state is on this list, please keep watching, because what I am about to share with you could literally save your farm. And if your state is not on this list right now, do not relax just yet, because the IRS has already announced that they are expanding this program to 15 more states before the end of 2026. This means almost every small farm owner in America will be affected very soon. So whether your state is on this list today or not, you need to understand what is happening, and you need to be prepared, because the farmers who are prepared right now are the ones who will keep their land. And the farmers who ignore this warning are the ones who will be writing massive checks to the IRS before the end of this year. Now let me show you exactly who is behind all of this, because this is not just the IRS acting alone. There are powerful people and powerful corporations pushing this agenda from behind the scenes. In 2024 and 2025, the biggest agricultural corporations in America spent over $400 million in Washington lobbying for new policies. Their number one goal was to make it harder for small farm owners to survive. Why? Because small farms are their competition. When you grow your own food and sell it locally, you are taking money away from billion-dollar corporations. And they do not like that, so they went to Washington and they said, we need new tax rules for small farms. We need new audit programs. We need to make it harder for the little guy to stay in business. And Washington listened. On top of that, big investment companies like massive hedge funds have been quietly buying up American farmland for years now. They have already purchased over 40 million acres of American farmland. They are not buying land to farm it. They are buying land to control it, to control food, to control prices, to control you, and the IRS audit program fits perfectly into this plan. Hit small farmers with big tax bills, force them to sell, let the big corporations buy the land for almost nothing. This is exactly what is happening right now in 2026, and most small farm owners have no idea. Okay, so now that you understand what is happening and who is behind it, let me tell you exactly what you can do right now to protect yourself. Because here is the good news. There are very specific legal protections available to small farm owners. Protections that most farmers never use simply because nobody ever told them about it. So let me walk you through this step by step. Step number 1. You need to understand the Small Farm Tax Exemption. This is a real legal protection written directly into the U.S. tax code. If your farm is under 50 acres and your annual farm income is under $250,000, you qualify for significant tax protections that can literally reduce your IRS liability by 40 to 60%. But here is the problem. The IRS will never call you and tell you about this exemption. They will never send you a letter explaining how to use it. It is your responsibility to claim it, and most small farm owners simply do not know it exists. Step number 2, you need to file Form 4835 correctly. This is the Farm Rental Income and Expenses Form. Many small farm owners either do not file this form at all or they file it incorrectly. And when the IRS sees this form filed incorrectly, it immediately triggers an audit flag on your account. Make sure every single expense on your farm is properly documented on this form. Equipment costs, seed costs, water costs, fuel costs, everything. Step number 3. Get your land properly classified. This is extremely important. Many small farm owners are having their land taxed as residential or commercial property instead of agricultural land. And the difference in tax rate is absolutely massive. Agricultural land tax rate is significantly lower than residential or commercial rates. If your land is currently classified incorrectly, you could be overpaying your property taxes by thousands of dollars every single year. You need to contact your county assessor office and make sure your land is classified as agricultural. This one simple step alone could save you between $5,000 and $15,000 per year, depending on your state. Step number 4. Create a Simple Farm LLC. This is one of the most powerful protections available to small farm owners. When you put your farm inside an LLC structure, you create a legal wall between your personal assets and any IRS action. This means if the IRS comes after your farm, they cannot touch your personal savings, your personal home, or your personal retirement accounts. The LLC protects everything. Setting up a basic farm, LLC, costs less than $500 in most states, and it could save you tens of thousands of dollars if the IRS ever targets you directly. Okay, so let me make this very simple for you. Here is your action plan. Write these steps down right now because this is important. Action step 1. This week, call your county assessor office. Ask them one simple question. Is my land currently classified as agricultural property? If the answer is no, or if they say they are not sure, you need to fix this immediately. Action step 2. Find a local farm tax specialist, not a regular accountant, a specialist who works specifically with farm owners. Ask them to review your last 2 years of tax returns, specifically looking for the Small Farm Tax Exemption. Many farmers discover they are owed thousands of dollars in refunds when they do this. Action step 3. Check your current farm records. Every single expense on your farm must be documented. Every receipt must be saved. Every cost must be recorded. If the IRS audits you and you cannot show proper documentation, you will lose automatically. Action step 4. Look into forming a farm LLC. Talk to a local attorney about this. In most states, this takes less than 2 weeks to set up, and the protection it gives you is absolutely worth every penny. Action step 5. Share this information with your farming neighbors. Your neighbors are facing the exact same risks you're facing right now. Most of them have no idea what is coming. You could literally save their farm by sharing this video with them today. These 5 steps are not complicated. They do not require a law degree. They just require you to take action right now before the IRS comes knocking on your door. Listen, I need you to understand something very clearly before you close this video. The IRS audit program is not slowing down. It is speeding up. More states are being added every single month. More small farm owners are receiving audit letters every single week. The farmers who act right now, today, this week, are the ones who will be protected. The farmers who say, "I will deal with this later," are the ones who will be opening a devastating IRS letter 6 months from now with no time to prepare. You worked too hard for your land. You sacrificed too much. You built something real, something that belongs to your family, something you want to pass down to your children and grandchildren. Do not let the IRS and big agriculture corporations take that away from you because you did not have the right information at the right time. You have that information now. You know what is happening. You know why it is happening, and you know exactly what to do about it. So please, take action today, not tomorrow, not next week. Today. If this video helped you, please share it with every farm owner you know, because the more farmers who know about this, the harder it becomes for them to push us off our land. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video.